Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Marva, and welcome again to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. Well, if you remember about 3 weeks ago, I started preparing some liquid fertilizer, organic liquid fertilizer with kitchen scraps. Well, today is the day that I'm going to be showing you what it looked like, and we'll be using it in the garden. So come with me. Now, this is the bucket that it was made in. Now, someone asked if it doesn't smell. Now, as long as this bucket is closed, it is tightly closed, it's not going to smell. But you can be assured that once I open it, it will smell. Because, it's fruits and vegetables. They're putrefying, and they've been sitting in here for almost 3 weeks. They're going to smell. But if it's going to do the plants good, that's okay with me. I'll deal with the smell. So I'm going to remove the lid. Okay. And I'm going to need something to stir it up. Now, if you notice, it's kind of red. Do you remember what caused that red color? For those of you who saw when I did it, well, it's the beets. I had some beets in there. So I'm going to, yes, and it is smelling. I'm going to get something to stir it up. Okay, found the handle of a shovel. So let me open up this crocus bag. It's kind of warm, yeah. And the bag is here so that it can be strained off. The water is going to be strained off. That's what I'm going to be using. And I'm going to separate the water into 2 containers. Separate the liquid into 2 containers. And then pour some water on it because it is very strong. And you want to be gentle on the plants. So I'm going to dilute it. Yeah, so I'm kind of crushing up the vegetables in there. Yeah, this is organic food for the garden. Homemade. I'm going to get my extra bucket now. I'll just put it in one of these. Now what I'll do is I'll continue using the food scraps in this. Just add to it. See? Oh, okay. So what I'll do is pour half of it in this one. I guess it's not as bad. It doesn't smell as bad as I thought it was going to be. Maybe the beets has something to do with it. Start by putting it on. Remember the sweet potato? in the container. Let's start there. That's their food. Let's feed some more food in the garden. Okay, over here at this beans bed. This is a big bed, so you might take the rest of this bucket. Sweet potato bed. Jamaican sweet potato. Done. And I have another bucket that has started. So once that is finished, we'll do that for the other plants, like the pineapples and so on. So I thank you so much for joining me as I use my first ever liquid or organic liquid fertilizer. See you next time. Come back and see what's going on in the Charles Fort Lauderdale garden. Thank you.